every one of us should know the background of this application first of all. Till now I am telling technology is good, coding is not there, salaries are very good, I am telling you. But let us actually understand now what is this Oracle HCM Cloud, what this application will be doing in the market. Basically, Oracle Fusion applications comes under ERP family. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Means, if you see the right side picture on the slide here, you take any company as an example. For that matter, Tata you take, Reliance you take, Amazon, Flipkart, Google, any organization in the market you take as an example. In every company, there will be different business processes involved. Means what? There will be a HR department in every company to manage all the employees in that organization, right? And they will have finance department to handle all the finance related activities in that company. And they will have supply chain and operations department. They have expense department. They have marketing department, sales department. It means any company, in order to operate in the market, all these departments together they will operate, right? But in order to conduct all these business operations, every company requires a software or a technology in the market. For example, you see HR department in any company. What they will do? For your company, for your college, companies are coming for placements. Who will come for recruitment from a company? HRs will come, correct? So what HR people will do in any organization? The entire employee management they will do in every company, right? Starting from recruitment, starting from their transfers, promotions, demotions, their every month leave calculations, salary processing, performance appraisals, hiring to retire, end to end of the employee will be managed by the HR department in the company. But how these all operations they can maintain? Let's take up an example. Reliance Industries is there. Every one of us know. That is our very well known Indian MNC. Reliance altogether have 50,000 employees working across the world in different companies of them. How these 50,000 employees HR related activities a company will maintain? They require a software or a technology to maintain, right? For that matter, for finance to handle, finance related software they require. For operations to maintain, that respective software is required. So, in order to conduct the day-to-day business operations, every company will require a software or a technology. One such technology offering by Oracle Corporation, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means Human Capital Management Cloud. So basically, in any organization, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities, companies will be using this Oracle HCM Cloud applications. Okay. Similar to Oracle Fusion, they will also have financial, supply chain, marketing. For every other domains also, we have different other products available in the market. So you can see few of the other ERP applications in the market. ERP is a category or a family. Under that ERP family, these applications will be coming. You can see some of the other ERPs in the market. SAP, Salesforce, okay, Blackboard, Infor, and also our very well-known Indian company Zoho. These all are the different ERP applications available in the market. Today, we are going to learn one among them, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to this technology, how companies managed all these things? Obviously, the traditional method, manual, like they used to maintain in the books, how many employees working, they used to write in the book. Everyday attendance they used to take in the book, present or absent, or every month salaries they used to pay physically through hand, cash. But after the technology intervention into the market from 1980s, entire business scope has been changed.